So I was really interested to know what made you, come up with an idea to make an OTT platform just dedicated to theaters and performing arts. Like being first in the world is actually a big deal. Nobody has come up with this idea before. So how you, like, what made you think about it?
No, so actually, necessity is the mother of invention. Basically, last year with the whole lockdown thing happening, what happened is we got a lot of calls from friends in theater, especially asking, "What do you think we should do?" Because theaters were shut, and all of them who depended on the live performance for their revenues suddenly didn't know what to do, because somewhere people felt that maybe films, TV, OTT shoots will start and something or the other will happen with them. But as far as the live performance is concerned, um, what are people going to do about it? So that's where we started thinking that, probably you can, like they say, that you give someone money and you feed him for a day, but you give someone work and you feed him for life. So we thought we need to probably come up with a solution which is a little more long lasting. And if there is a situation like this in future, then the work wouldn't stop. They would still try and earn some money out of their profession and their work. And that's where we figured that everything was going online. Education was going online, cooking online, fitness online, beauty online. So I said, then why should theater not go online? Okay. So yes, I mean, it took a lot of time. In fact, we started working on this last May, and we were able to launch it only now in April. So there were, of course, a lot of challenges, as in, getting that right content and getting people and getting permissions to shoot and getting an auditorium which would allow us to shoot with
That
a
is
lot
during
of
lockdown
protocols.
then. If you're saying that you started in May, it was like nationwide
Yes,
lockdown. How
yes,
exactly do you manage
yeah.
them?
So Zoom meetings, calls over Zoom, trying to meet people again digitally and get content, read that content, finalize that content, and then when the unlock started to happen, is when we started getting October, then some in November, some in December, and then we started the whole post production. Simultaneously, the technology was getting ready, for the platform. So building the UI, UX, little testing, Google certification, Apple certification. So I learned a lot of things, by the way, in the whole process. I was even clueless about what this whole UI, UX thing is, but my tech team has taught me quite a bit. So that is what took time. Yeah, it's a derivation of Navras essentially, but we wanted a name which has Indian sensibilities, but at the same time it has a global appeal as well. So also I like number nine. So and nine is more, more easier to remember. So
Mm-hmm.
if someone says, "यार तो theater का platform है, कौन सा वो nine कुछ है," so that's the reason we thought we should have a name which is easier to remember, or even a logo which is easier to remember.
So, what
Yeah.
about other languages? Are you guys planning to bring in more languages, especially from the south or any other regional languages?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. In fact, the efforts are on, but unfortunately, the whole thing is that these three languages we could shoot in Mumbai. As far as the other languages are concerned, most of those actors are placed in that region. For example, we are trying to get some Bengali content, okay, and we were supposed to have our schedule in April, but because of the whole restrictions, we had to push it. And also, most of the Bengali crew members said that we won't be able to travel to Mumbai because of the entire pandemic and the second wave. No, no, I only have to thank the lockdown for that. I mean, all said and done, yes, there have been huge losses, and I don't know how we'll recover that. But what the lockdown and this Corona and 2020 has done for us is it has pushed us or forced us to think out of the box, and only because of the whole survival thing, that how will we survive? How
Mm.
how will we do something new? So it pushed me also out of my comfort zone, and because there were so many calls and for to do something for theater and theater fraternity, is when I felt, no, this is my chance to give back to theater whatever I can. So we have tried to create jobs for almost close to 1,500 people from the theater fraternity. That includes your technicians, actors, writers, directors, everyone. So whatever we could do,